Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use the Stocks app on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to use the Stocks application, then here is a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The Stocks application allows you to follow the market trend, what gains popularity in the stocks, what is declining, and it also allows you to set up your own stock page. So here I'm going to walk you through the exact process you can use to use the stock application on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to use the stocks app is go ahead and open the stocks app on your iPhone. And once you open the stocks app, the first thing you're going to see is you're going to see the finance page where you see S&P 500, SAVA, SPX. This varies depending on what is gaining popularity at the moment. And if you scroll down, you should see news about the market stocks. Here you can see we have the S&P 500 is gaining about 17.42 at the moment. And if you scroll through, you should see other market stocks as well. Now, as a beginner, to use the Stocks app on your iPhone, first you want to click on the finance page where you have access to my symbols, new watch list, and manage watch list. So if you've already added watch list to the stocks application, you should be able to see it when you select manage watch list. However, to add other stocks to your watch list, click on find page, click on new watch list, then give your watch list a name. Here, let me say my watch list. Click on save. Then under my watch list, be prompted to search for stocks and add symbols to my watch list. So in this case, let's say I want to search for SRP. Then once you search for any stocks underneath it, then you should see it here. Then you can see I have SRP USD, SRP BTC, SRP Rupee. So select plus to add the stock you want to add to your watch list. Then let's say S&P 500. Then you should have it like this. Then go ahead and click on the plus button to add to your watch list. And then click on done at top right. Now, if you come back here, let's say you still have finance page or whatever, click on this drop menu, then you should see my watch list. Go ahead and click on my watch list. Then you should see your watch list here. Now, another thing you want to take note when using the stocks app on your iPhone is if you click on the three dots at the top right, you'll be able to show currency, profile feedback, show watch list, shows trend, and then the manual up and down stocks will also be visible. So click on show currency, then you see the currency is in USD. If you disable currency, then this is going to remove the currency from the watch list. Show currency. You can also click on the three dots at top right, edit your watch list, then remove the one you want to remove from the stocks by clicking on remove, then click on the trash button, click on add at the bottom right, and then add other watch list to it. So let's say you want to add BTC. Then click on the plus button for the BTC you want to add, Bitcoin, USD, and then click on done. And then that is it, you are good. Now you can now click on the watch list you added to see the market trend just like this, to see whether the stock is gaining or the stock is currently losing. You see that? So that is basically how to use the stock app on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.